In this video, I will show you how to hide any particular program or applications icon in your laptop desktop. So, like you want to hide this icon, right click on it, properties and general. So select this. So select this general tab and here the option hidden. Select it, then apply, then continue, then click on OK. So without deleting, you can hide any applications icon from your desktop. Once you search it, so this application is available and icon is hidden. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.